Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. Today we will learn how to request a desktop site in Safari on your iPhone, so you can view websites in their full desktop version instead of the mobile version. To get started, open the Safari app on your iPhone and type the website address into the URL bar, then let the page fully load. Once the website is open, look near the address bar. On the left side, you will see a small icon that looks like a rectangle with lines underneath it. Tap on this icon to open more options. After tapping it, a small menu will appear. From here, tap on the three dots to expand and see more options available. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, in the expanded menu, look for the option called Request Desktop Website. It usually has an icon that looks like a small computer. Tap on this option. As soon as you tap it, the page will reload automatically, and Safari will display the desktop version of that website. This version often includes more features, a different layout, and sometimes additional settings that are not available on the mobile version. Keep in mind that not all websites will look very different. Some modern websites are optimized to look similar on both mobile and desktop. However, for many sites, this option can be very useful, especially when you need full functionality. If you ever want to switch back to the mobile version, you can follow the same steps again and disable the desktop view. That's it. You have successfully learned how to request a desktop site in Safari on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.